Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial on this channel. This tutorial is about how to edit a video without downloading any software. So let's get on to it. So all you have to do is just type in here the search bar right here. All you have to type in is video editor. So I think video editor just comes with your Windows software right there. So just type that in, just press enter, and here you could see like all my videos edited right here, which is uploaded onto YouTube. So I got a sample video right here which I'm going to edit right now. So this video is gonna go up at 9 PM today, UK time. So I got this folder right here. So if I just go on here, then I think it's this one. So all I have to do is just go into that, and then I need my my intro and outro, which I normally put on my videos. So just go on here. Then so if you want to select multiple files, so just click on one, then press Control, and then click on the other one. So actually it's not that one. Oh, that and that. Yeah, that's it. Then press open, and it has to be an MP4 file. If you can't do that, or if it's not, you have to change it to an MP4 file. So if you don't know how to do that, just go on Google or Chrome or Safari or whatever, or just and type in your file name. So let's say it's like .web m then to MP4. So if you just type that in, then go onto here, then select the file, and then when you press on that, it will, so right here you can just convert to any file you want right there. So so let's get back onto the editing software. So I'm just gonna put the intro right here and the outro at the last bit right here, and then here as you could see, or here you could hear the intro right here. Hey guys, and welcome to another, and then right there, that'll be my video. So I know that I haven't made any mistake or anything like that, but I could just go through it, and then here, that's the intro right there. So so yeah, so if I want to go onto the video, just and then here and then here it says, hey guys. If I sort of make a little bit of a delay, all I do is just stop at the bit where I say hey guys, then I just press split, and then press done, and then the clip right here, which is split, I'll just delete it. I'll delete it right here. But I know that I haven't made any delay, so I'll just I'll just leave it to what it is. Hey guys, welcome to another. Then I'll just continue right here. So I'll just continue, so see if I have made any mistakes. Just hearing it. It depends if it's a long video, but if it's a long video, I'll just watch it out just to make sure I don't make any mistakes. But I just keep going right here, and then make sure to subscribe right here, or just for more tutorials. And then right here. And then hey guys, welcome to another tutorial on my videos channel. But if you want to add like a text, so I could just go right here, and then if I go on text right there, then here there are different text you can see right there. So I want to pick a simple one. Then here I could just do like multiple arrows, multiple arrows right here. Not multiple arrows, but an arrow like that. Then here I'll just type in display 1 right there, and then here, so this slider is just like where you want to put the text. So, and right here, that's like the length of how long you want it to be. So so right here, if I just go right here, and then so if I just go right here, so it should be like around there I want to put it. And then if I press done, it should show. So so it does show, but it's white, so I can't really see it. So if I just go back, and I could just pick a different one. Here, if you want to make it more visible, you could pick this one, which is called Fresh, or maybe this Poetry or Cartoon, or yeah, something like that, and you can move it, and the layer right here you can move it around here in the middle, the top, the sides, right here. So yeah, so you could put all these right there. So yeah, so that's how you add a text right there. But so I'm not gonna be adding any text, so I just press save changes. Right here I got number adding, and yeah, right here I don't wanna add anything, so if I just go back, delete that, and then here I'll just press done. So I don't want any text, as you could already see on the screen. So here, so display one. So so yeah, so that's how you split right there. You could also add the speed of how much speed you want it to go by. So if you just press on that, then here you could adjust how slow you want it to be or how fast you want it to be. So if I want to make it fast by 1.5, so if I go press it, play the intro. So right there, it'll be way faster than you expect right there. So normally I'll keep it at 1. I don't really speed up any of my clips either. Right there, so I'll just put it back to 1. You could put like filters as well. So I could let's go into like, yeah, actually we could just change on to the intro. So if you go with filters, then you could change any of these right here. So you can make it inky. So I don't know, but anyone you like to make it look good for your intro or your video right there. So yeah, so I don't normally change any of that either, but I have to experiment it later right there. So yeah, so that's my free filters. You could also add 3D effects. I don't add any of that either, but you could add like bubbles overlay, something like that, and then here you could adjust it how much you want it to be, and then yeah, so right here, so it's sort of a 3D effect, so you could sort of turn it right there, and yeah, you could turn it in, I don't know, 360 degree right there. So yeah, so say I want to move up there, then here, and then here if I press done and see what it does, so do something like that, but it should be the other way around, but yeah, so if you just do that the other way around, 3D effects. So right here I just adjusted it to the right way, so if I just press done right there, and then here if I just go back, and then here, yeah, it'll go right. So yeah, so right there, that's how the 3D effect, that's actually pretty cool. You could add it to your intro right there, and motion, so you could sort of put it wherever you want onto the screen, but I don't want to put it anywhere, so right here, so I think the center would be fine right there. And let's let's use the motion for the intro, so you could put it here or here and right there, so just yeah, so do something like that right there. So zoom out to the center, zoom out to the right. Yeah. I mean, yeah, something like that. So that's the motion right there. So if I press done, so I think that's pretty good right there. And yeah, I think that's it really. So that's all the stuff you need to know about the video editor. So it's actually pretty good, especially when you're starting like a YouTube channel right there. So just edit like simply instead of you making like an advanced project and uploading to a channel with like barely any subscribers. I think you're just putting no effort in without any viewers right there. So yeah, this is actually very simple editing software right there. So yeah, so that's actually pretty good for starting a YouTube video. And if you finish editing your video, all you have to do is just press on finish video, press export, make sure it's at the highest. I haven't tried, yeah, make sure it's at the highest one, so 1080p. You don't want to make it 720p or 520p. You can make it 720p, but the software obviously recommends to have 1080p right there. And then more options, you just take that off, or I'm not sure what this does, but or you could take it off what you want right there. So oh, it makes export faster, so you use, alright, yeah, so it just makes your exporting a lot more faster. So so all you have to do, press export, and then here it'll just select, it'll just go into the folder that you wanted to select and to go on by default, because normally I'll put in my videos into the videos folder right there, so it knows that I want to save it on there already. So all you have to do, just press export and then just wait for that to export, and then yeah, so that's your finished product right there. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these in the future. Thank you.